Hi children, good morning. How are you children? You all are fine? Yes. Now children, everyone take out English first class textbook. Collins English Grammar and Composition for first class. Open your textbook children. Yes. So children, already we learned 13th lesson am, is, are. Is completed. Isn't it children? Yes. Now children, today we learn 14th lesson. Am, is, are and doing words. Yes children. So 14th lesson. Am, is, are and doing words. Okay children, are and doing words. Ready? Yes. Everyone take out your textbooks children. So let's get started. Read about what is happening at Sarah's birthday party. So children, here Sarah's birthday party children. See, here one picture is there. See? So it is Sarah's birthday party children here. See, all boys and girls, birthday cap, happy birthday, so cake, everything children. So here what is happening children? Here Sarah's birthday. So it is Sarah's birthday. So here Sarah's birthday. Is blowing the candles. She is what children? Blowing the candles. Her friends are smiling. Sarah's friends are what? What doing children? Her friends is smiling. Yes. So they are singing happy birthday. Sarah's friends singing happy birthday to you, like this. So all the children are laughing. So Sarah's friends, what are doing children? They are all are laughing. So it is Sarah's birthday. Understood children? Yes. Did you see the doing words which end with ing? You observe children. So each word and the ing words children. I-N-G, ing. So ing words. When we talk about with a person, animal or thing, doing right now, we are, am, is, are into the doing words. When we are talk person, animal, anything children, so we add, am, is, are is compulsory. So into the doing words. So ing also some words, ing words, I-N-G. Examples, eating. E-A-T-I-N-G, eating. We are eating cakes, eating. Next, I am playing a game, P-L-A-Y-I-N-G, playing a game. Xenia is riding a bicycle. So, in words children. So, am, is, are, and into the doing words. So, some words we keep ing words children, like we are eating, we are playing, we are getting, we are sitting. So this is all ing words. Understood children? So see children here, page number 55, are ing to these doing words. Okay children? First I write on the board and you see, write it in your textbook children. Understood? Yes. So children, page number 55, a bit, add, in, to these, doing words. This is doing words children. Okay. So first one is already gave. So talk, talking. walk. So walking. Third one, jump. J-U-M-P, jump. So jumping. Fourth one, sleep. So sleeping. Write neatly in your textbook, children. Everyone should write neatly. Okay? Yes. So sixth one, eat, eating. Sixth one, read, so reading. This is inwards, children. I-N-G, inwards. So write neatly, children, in your textbook. Talk, talking. Walk, walking. Jump, jumping. Sleep, sleeping. Eat, eating. Read, reading. 14th lesson, am is our aunt and doing words. This is ing words, children. I-N-G, adding to these doing words. So talk, talking. Walk, walking. Jump, jumping. Sleep, sleeping. Eat, eating. So next, read, reading. These are, they all are ing words. Finish, children? So see, children, here. T-A-L-K, talk. T-A-L-K-I-N-G, talking. W-A-L-K, walk. W-A-L-K-I-N-G, walking. So this is ing words. I-N-G, ing. J-U-M-P, jump. J-U-M-P-I-N-G, jumping. Sleep. S-L-E-E-P, sleep. S-L-E-E-P-I-N-G, sleeping. So E-A-T, eat. E-A-T-I-N-G, eating. R-E-A-D, read. R-E-A-D-I-N-G, reading. So finish, children? Yes. So turn the page, children. Page number 56. Yes. So page number 56. So which bit one? B bit. B bit. Complete the sentence with the correct doing words from the box. So children, here complete the sentence with the correct doing from box, children. So look at the Karthik is in the park. So Karthik, what is doing, children? Is playing. So write neatly, children, textbook. Everyone should write neatly. So first word, look at Karthik. He is dash in the park. He is playing in the park. P-L-A-Y-I-N-G, playing. Second one, the dogs are dash loudly. The dogs are dash loudly. What, children? Yes, barking. B-A-R-K-I-N-G, barking. So, third one, it is dash heavily. So, what, children? Raining. R-A-I-N-I-N-G, raining. So, fourth one, Geeta is dash a story book. So what, children? Reading a story book. R-E-A-D-I-N-G, Ring. Reading a story book. Now, fifth one. Hamad is dash on a chair. So, Hamad is sitting on a chair. S-I-T-T-I-N-G. Sitting. The phone is dash loudly. What children? R-I-N-G. I-N-G. Ringing. The phone is ringing loudly. Playing, barking, raining, reading, sitting and ringing. So write neatly children. Beat. Look at that. Look at Karthik is playing in the park. P-L-A-Y-I-N-G. Playing in the park. The dogs are dashed loudly. So what children? Barking. B-A-R-K-I-N-G. Barking. So third one. It's raining heavily. R-A-I-N-I-N-G. Raining. Geeta is reading a story book. R-E-A-D-I-N-G. Reading. Hamad is sitting on a chair. S-I-T-T-I-N-G. Sitting on a chair. The phone is ringing loudly. R-I-N-G-I-N-G. Ringing. So write neatly children in your textbook. Everyone should write neatly in your textbook children. Finish children? Yes. So see children next. See bit. See bit children. Page number 56. See bit. Look at the pictures and write what is happening in each of them. Use is and are with or doing words in from the box. So children, here give one box children. So here write in words children. So already box is given leak, sing, play, teach, fly, climb. So I write here in. Example leaking, singing, playing, teaching, flying, climbing. So I write here in words. Understood children? In write neatly in your textbook. So first one, the children dash in the park. So what is the children? Play or playing? So here write we in words. So first one is playing. P-L-A-Y-I-N-G. Playing. The children playing in the park. So children playing in the park. The boy dash the tree. Climb or climbing children? Because we are writing here in words. So here write climbing. C-L-I-M-B-I-N-G. Yes. Climbing. So third one. The tap dash. Leak or leaking? So leaking. L-E-A-K-I-N-G. Leaking. So fourth one. The flag dash in the wind. What children? Flying in the wind. F-L-Y-I-N-G. Flying. Playing. P-L-A-Y-I-N-G. Playing. C-L-I-M-B-I-N-G. Climbing. L-E-A-K-I-N-G. Leaking. F-L-I-N-G. Flying. So fifth one. Vijaya dash a song. So what children? Singing a Song. S-I-N-G-I-N-G. So, singing a song. The teacher dash English. So, what is teacher English, teacher? So, teaching English. T-E-A-C-H-I-N-G. Teaching English. So, write neatly, children, textbook. So, the children playing in the park. P-L-A-Y-I-N-G. Playing. So, the boy climbing the tree. C-L-I-M-B-I-N-G. Climbing the tree. So, next. The tap leaking. L-E-A-K-I-N-G. Leaking. The flag flying in the wind. Flying. F-L-Y-I-N-G. Flying. So next, Vijaya singing a song. S-I-N-G-I-N-G. Singing a song. The teacher teaching English. So T-E-A-C-H-I-N-G. Teaching English. Children, this is ing words. I-N-G. Ing words. Understood, children? So write neatly in your textbook. Finish, children? Yes, children. Finish. So, children, I is R and doing words. So, this is ing words. So, this is ing words, children. We are eating a cake. E-A-T-I-N-G. Ing. So, playing. P-L-A-Y-I-N-G. So, writing. R-I-D-I-N-G. Writing. So, this is ing words, children. And here, Sarah's birthday. So, Sarah's birthday, she is blowing the candles. Her friends are smiling. They are singing happy birthday song. And they are all laughing. So, children, your happy birthday, you call your friends. Okay, understood, children? So, your lesson is finished. 14th lesson, and write Sakshi. Okay? Sakshi, children, 14th lesson, page number 55. A bit. Add into these doing words. A bit. Write neatly in your classwork book. One time homework. Write one time homework in your classwork book. Understood, children? In words. So talk. T-A-L-K talk. T-A-L-K-I-N-G talking. W-A-L-K walk. W-A-L-K-I-N-G. I-N-G. Ing. Walking. J-U-M-P jump. J-U-M-P-I-N-G jumping. Sleep. S-L-E-E-P sleep. S-L-E-E-P-I-N-G sleeping. E-A-T eat. E-A-T-I-N-G eating. Read. R-E-A-D read. R-E-A-D-I-N-G reading. So, children, so this ing word you have homework one time in your classwork book, children. Understood? So, your homework is finished. To take the photo and send me school email ID, children. School email ID is myschoolmyhomework@gmail.com. To send your homework, Okay children, I'll check your homework compulsory children. Understood? So children, we will meet you next class. Bye children. Take care.